Okay. So now we can solder on our capacitors. And I already have all the parts needed for the whole project. Well, for these steps that I'm doing over the next hour. I have all those parts pre-selected just to save time. I was thinking ahead. Alright, so I'm just splaying the legs outward of the capacitor. And now I can mount it onto my wire. Okay. I feel like making the adjustments of your helping hand is like the most important and time-consuming part of doing any electrical joint soldering work. Hmm. I wonder. Huh. Lol. You can do it. Okay, that's interesting. I want to try this. So I'm sliding the leg of the capacitor inside the insulative sleeve of the wire. This is kind of a radical thing I just came up with to try. Might be really easy once you slide in the leg. It's like a sleeping bag. Heck, I might not even have to solder it then. If it's slid all the way into the jacket. This is hilarious. Wow. It worked. So look at this, guys. I just I slid the legs of the capacitor right into the insulative wiring. I just slid it in. There's good electrical contact just from that. Um, I have to clip away the wire in between. You know, I'll still solder it, but that's just gonna. That was just a pretty cool trick. Did I just invent that? Newbie on campus over here changing the game. I'm changing the way the game's played. I'm making my own rules. Oh, that was a terrible joint. Okay. So there's my finished joint right there. And we got our capacitor in. Just like that. Too easy.